Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video for you and it is December's Glossy Box. And this is what it looks like. It's their Merry Metallics edition box. So if you're new to GLOSSYBOX, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below so you're free to flick forward. Plus, as you've seen in the title, I've got a Norwegian glossy box to give away as well. Look at this! Absolutely stunning box. So at the end of this video I'll open it up and quickly show you the content and then I'll tell you how you can enter. So GLOSSYBOX is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. This is GLOSSYBOX UK. There are different glossy boxes around the globe, but this box that you're seeing in this video is the UK version. So inside the box you'll find 5 beauty treats and they range from hair care, nail care, perfume sometimes, and makeup and skincare. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel anytime, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription as well. I've been with GLOSSYBOX for nearly 3 years. It's one of my favourite subscription boxes. I think for £13.25. It's definitely one of the cheaper boxes out there. There's not many that are below that price, but the value of the box always outweighs the actual cost of the box. Yes, some months are better than others and there's going to be products in there that are maybe not suitable for you. Like I know in this month's box there's a pair of false eyelashes and I know some of you don't like false lashes and you don't wear them. For me, I love them. I wear them regularly. So there is that to be aware of. So I think for value for money, I think if you like at least 3 of the 5 items and you will use the 3 of the 5 items, then I think it's worth it. So if you have any doubts about GLOSSYBOX, I've got a huge back playlist you're welcome to watch. If you go on Instagram, for instance, you will see like pictures of past boxes to give you an idea of the sort of items that you get. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I will pop it down below, but all links and everything related to this box and refer a friend codes and everything I'll pop down below. So underneath this video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be down there. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. That's what it looks like. It's a really gorgeous design, really pretty with the red and gold. Undo it. So you've got a little leaflet here and inside here tells you everything about the products inside the box. There, that's a little sneak peek. Let me get this out of the way. Woo. There. Not a very good view, but I'll pull an item up, show you and refer to the card. So also on this leaflet it tells you sneak peek for January's box. It's BB Beauty's Strawberry Booster filled with essential omega fatty acids. It soothes, nourishes and hydrates your skin for the flawless I woke up looking like this fabulous look. That sounds gorgeous, especially if it's got a really lovely strawberry smell to it. So anyone that gets the January box will receive that in there. So a little note from the editor, it says the festive season is perfect excuse to add a touch of glitz and glamour to your beauty routine. That's why our special design Merry Metallics edit is filled with 5 full-size radiance boosting products that will have you twinkling from head to toe. Better yet, our box features all the lustrous makeup you'll need to get glammed up this December, including glittery eyeshadow, shimmery powder and fluttery eyelashes. You'll be the belle of the ball this Christmas. So start off then with the lashes and we've got Golden Gatsby 3D Foam Ink Lashes and this is by LA Splash Cosmetics. As always, I will chop them off around here because I don't like them too long, but no, I love them. They're really fluffy. So yes, we've got some lashes. So the recommended retail price for these lashes is £9.75 and then the information just goes on to telling you how to apply them and set them with mascara and to set them in place. So yeah, and they've got instructions on the back there as well. So that's the first item. I forgot to say at the start as well, my box is variation 5. We've got a choice of 5 different lipsticks. You can find out what box you're going to get if you haven't received your box yet and you're a subscriber by going into your GLOSSYBOX account and underneath your subscription details somewhere on your account it'll tell you what box you're getting. If you are getting variation 5 you will get the same as me and it is shade number 930 and it's Love Potion and I'm actually wearing it. This is what it looks like. I'm wearing it because this box is my paid for subscription box, but I also received a PR box from GLOSSYBOX this morning as well. So I'll do an unboxing with my paid for box, so I'll keep that to one side. And I had a look through the PR box and they were both variation 5. So I thought I would try it on to show you what the colour's like. I love this lipstick. Never heard of it before. LOV. Never heard of it before. The feel of this lipstick is gorgeous. It is really nice. So it looks like there. The texture and the feel of this lipstick on your lips is really nice, really nice. And what is it? It's a matte lipstick, but it's like a soft, moussey, creamy. Oh, it's lovely. It is really lovely. I think out the 5 shades, if I didn't have this, I think I would like to go for the darker red, the berry looking one up there. But you've got a darker red, you've got a pink, and you've got like a nudie brown one there as well. So the recommended retail price for these lipsticks is £8.90. They are enriched with candy oil and hyaluronic fill-in spheres to smooth and visibly plump your pout. That's hard to say. Pair it with your go-to LDB for an elegant and timeless look, or with your favourite winter jumper for a classic shabby chic effect. So that's the second item in the box. Next we've got some shower gel, and this is by Original Source, and we've got 250 ml here. Sweet rhubarb and raspberry, and it's 100% sourced. Ooh, hopefully you can see there, the ring light is a bit of a pain sometimes. There. So a nice big bottle. I love these shower gels, absolutely love them. They're just so fruity and fresh. Oh, I love them. Oh, flipping neck. I always do this. I always do that. My gosh. Oh, that smells nice. That smells really nice. So the recommended retail price for the shower gel is £2.30. It's manufactured using 100% renewable energy and is packaged in a recyclable bottle, whilst also being paraben free and vegan. Lather onto your body while showering and enjoy the natural rhubarb and raspberry fragrance. It smells just like the crumble. So that's the third item in the box. Next we've got a product by Bella Pierre, and this is Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this is a liquid eyeshadow eye candy. I think it's in shade Venus. I think so. So this is a glitter eyeshadow. Let's try my hand. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. You see there? If you blend it in quickly enough, if you're not really into full-on glittery eyes, you can create like a soft shimmer. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. That would be really pretty if you created like a smoky eye look and it was quite dark, and then dabbing a little bit maybe on your finger and blending it out a bit, and then just dabbing it in the middles and like blending it out. I think that would be really pretty. Just something very subtle, but just to pick up a little bit of light on a really dark eye look. That doesn't want to come off though. That does not want to come off at all. Got a glittery hand. The recommended retail price for this liquid eyeshadow is £20. Sweep onto your lid using the applicator wand, then gently pat and blend until you've created your desired effect. Its unique formula will instantly transform from liquid to solid, leaving you with an eye-catching metallic look that won't crease or smudge. That's why it's like not coming off at all on my hand. Yeah, and my finger. So there's that. So that's our fourth item in the box. And lastly, we've got an item by Steve Laurent, and this is a loose powder, and this is in shade Rose Gold. The packaging of this is gorgeous. Can you see? That is really lovely, isn't it? It's quite smart. Oh, it's come through. There's a little tab to peel off, but it's come through a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's gonna go everywhere. I love loose powders, but my gosh, they make a mess. They make a mess. Let's try a bit on my hand, on this hand. Try a bit, I said. Try a bit. Oh, I've blown most of it away. It is very similar to this one. It is very similar, but obviously this is powder form. But this one is more... I just realised they're both eyeshadows, aren't they? It's a little bit weird why we've got two eyeshadows, two glittery sort of eyeshadows. I know one is liquid and one is powder, but yeah, this one is pretty. This one is pretty. As you can see, I've blown most of it off now. There's a big lump on there. It's gone on the floor. This is subtle. This is really subtle, but because it's a loose powder, you'd be able to get more of a stronger pigment if you were to like wet your brush and things and apply it that way. Personally, I prefer the liquid eyeshadow in the box. I will use that more. But this is a lovely little pot. It's a lovely pot. It's a gorgeous colour, and yeah, you can create much more of a subtle look with this one than the liquid one. The recommended retail price for this is £14.60. It says you can either sweep the powder across your whole eyelid for a shimmery look, use a wet eyeliner brush to apply it along your lash line for a delicate touch of glamour, or sprinkle onto your cheekbones for an iridescent highlight. So there's that. So these are the items inside GLOSSYBOX's December box, the Merry Metallics box. The box costs £13.25 and the value of these products comes to around £55–56, so obviously way above the cost of the box. But is it a good box? I didn't realise before, even though I opened the PR box earlier on, I just went straight in for the lipstick, but I didn't realise that we had 2 eyeshadows, so I think it would have been nice if we had a different product. I love this Bella Pierre. I think I can see myself using that quite a lot on different looks and things. The Steve Laurent is lovely, but I think because it's so similar to the Bella Pierre, as in it's an eyeshadow that is glittery and shimmery, it doesn't excite me as much. But the rest of the products I absolutely love. These lashes are gorgeous. Love these shower gels. Love these shower gels. And the lipstick is gorgeous. Really lovely. So all in all, I think it's definitely worth £13. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Is it a box for you or is it not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching and look out for January's glossy box. So on to my giveaway then. Now the reason I got a Norwegian glossy box is because during Black Friday, GLOSSYBOX had a lot of deals on their website, and one of the deals was to get a mystery beauty box for £5. Didn't have a clue of what you would be sent or anything, but it seems like a few of us were sent boxes from different countries. It didn't click for a good few hours, not until I started looking inside it. And in the little leaflet there, it's got the Elegance box, and it's got GLOSSYBOX Norway, but everything's in Norwegian. I don't know what it is, so I had to use a Google Translate app which looks at text and then it changes it into English, so I'm able to read what it says. But yeah, so I thought I would do a giveaway. Now funnily enough, there's a Steve Laurent product in here as well. I'm not going to open it up because it's all sealed and I just want it to be, you know, obviously unused. And it's a black precision tip liner. That's the first item. Then I've got a little palette. It's Icon Mini and it's by Absolute New York in gold glitz. Pretty cool packaging. Haven't seen anything about this brand before. Ooh, there, that's really lovely. Then there's a Treacle Moon One Ginger Morning Bath and Shower Gel. It's a little mini version there. You've got a Mon Guerlain, it's a perfume sample. Then you've got some sachets. We've got Naughty to the Rescue shampoo and conditioner. And then we got another sachet, a leave-in conditioner. So those are the items in the box. If you're interested in winning this GLOSSYBOX Norway edition, I want you to comment down below. You're welcome to leave any comment you want. Also leave me contact details. Leave me an Instagram or a Twitter name or your actual email so that if you are the winner, then I'm able to contact you. But it's open internationally. I'm going to be running it until the first few days of January. If you're under 18, make sure you have your parents' or carers' consent. Please subscribe to my channel and like this post. And I think that's it. If I've missed anything else out, I'll pop all the details to the giveaway down in the comments. So good luck, and I hope you like this box and I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. So take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.